Problem number 11. Evaluate secant 35 degrees divided by cosecant 55 degrees. In the given problem, we can observe that the sum of given angles is 90 degrees. So, secant of 35 degrees can be write as secant of 90 minus 55 divided by the remaining term, that means denominator is cosecant 55 degrees. We know that secant of 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. So, secant of 90 minus 55 degrees can be write as cosecant 55 degrees by the remaining denominator cosecant 55 degrees. By cancelling cosecant 55 degrees in the numerator and denominator, we will get 1 as the answer. Therefore, secant 35 degrees divided by cosecant 55 degrees is equal to 1. Problem number 12. Find the value of sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 60 degrees. First, we are writing the problem which was given sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 60 degrees. Here we can observe that the sum of these angles is 90 degrees. So, sin square of 30 degrees can be write as sin square of 90 minus 60 degrees plus the remaining term cos square 60 degrees. We know that sin of 90 minus theta can be write as cos theta. So, sin square of 90 minus 60 can be write as cos square 60. The remaining part is cos square 60. By adding cos square 60, we will get 2 cos square 60 degrees. We know that cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2. On substituting these values, we will get 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 whole square. That means 2 is multiplied by 1 by 4. We can cancel the numerator 2 and 4 in second table. Then we will get 1 by 2. Therefore, sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. Problem number 13. If a plus b is equal to 90 degrees and tan a is equal to 3 by 4, then find cot b. Given that a plus b is equal to 90 degrees and tan a is equal to 3 by 4. In the given problem, a plus b is equal to 90 degrees. That means b is equal to 90 degrees minus a. So we can write tan a as tan of 90 degrees minus b, that is equal to 3 by 4. We know that tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. That means tan of 90 minus b can be write as cot b, that is equal to 3 by 4. Therefore, cot b is equal to 3 by 4. Problem number 14. If cosecant theta is equal to 25 by 7, then find the value of cot theta. Given that cosecant theta is equal to 25 by 7, we know that cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, which is a trigonometric identity. From this, we can write cot square theta as cosecant square theta minus 1. So, we are writing cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. That means cot theta is equal to square root of cosecant square theta minus 1. On substituting the value of cosecant theta in the above step, we will get square root of 25 by 7 whole square minus 1. After simplification, we will get square root of 576 by 49. We know that square root of 576 is 24 and square root of 49 is 7. So cot theta is equal to 24 by 7. Problem number 15. Evaluate secant 16 degrees multiplied by cosecant 74 degrees minus cot 74 degrees multiplied by tan 16 degrees. Solution. First, we have to write which was given in the problem, that is secant 16 degrees multiplied by cosecant 74 degrees minus cot 74 degrees multiplied by tan 16 degrees. In the given problem, it may be observed that the sum of angles in the first term is 90 degrees and also sum of angles in the second term is also 90 degrees. We know that cosecant of 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Cot of 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So the given problem can be write as secant 16 degrees is multiplied by cosecant of 90 degrees minus 16 degrees, because 74 degrees is equal to 90 minus 16, minus cot of 74 degrees can be write as cot 90 minus 16 degrees, the remaining tan 16 degrees. In the above step, we can write cosecant of 90 minus 16 as secant 16 degrees and cot of 90 minus 16 degrees as tan 16 degrees. Then we will get secant 16 degrees multiplied by secant 16 degrees minus tan 16 degrees multiplied by tan 16 degrees. On multiplying secant 16 degrees, we will get secant square 16 degrees minus tan square 16 degrees. Here we can observe that it is in the form of secant square theta minus tan square theta, which is equal to 1. So secant square 16 degrees minus tan square 16 degrees can be write as 1. So answer is 1. Therefore secant 16 degrees cosecant 74 degrees minus cot 74 degrees multiplied by tan 16 degrees is equal to 1. Problem number 16. Evaluate tan 36 degrees divided by cot 54 degrees. Solution. First we are writing the given problem, that is tan 36 degrees divided by cot 54 degrees. Here we can observe that the sum of these two angles is 90 degrees. So tan of 36 degrees can be write as 90 minus 54 degrees. So we will get tan of 90 minus 54 degrees by cot 54 degrees. We are already know that tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So here tan of 90 minus 54 degrees can be write as cot 54 degrees. Here we can cancel cot 54 degrees in the numerator and denominator. By cancelling it, we will get 1. Therefore tan 36 degrees divided by cot 54 degrees is equal to 1. Problem number 17. Express sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles which are lies between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Solution. The given problem is sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. Here we have to convert the given angles 75 degrees and 65 degrees as which are lies between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. So here we can write 75 degrees as 90 minus 15 degrees and 65 degrees as 90 minus 25 degrees. Then we will write it as sin of 90 minus 15 degrees plus cos of 90 minus 25 degrees. We know that sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta and cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So we can write the above step as cos 15 degrees plus sin 25 degrees. Was already completed because we are already converted the given angles as which are lies between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. So therefore sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees is equal to sin 25 degrees plus cos 15 degrees. Problem number 18. If tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is an acute angle, then find the value of a. Given that tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees, we know that cot of 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So tan 2a can be write as cot of 90 minus 2a, that is equal to cot of a minus 18 degrees. Now cancel the cot ratios on both sides. Then we will get 90 degrees minus 2a is equal to a minus 18 degrees. After simplification, we will get 3a is equal to 90 degrees plus 18 degrees. That means 3a is equal to 108 degrees. Here we have to find the value of a. So a is equal to 108 degrees by 3, that is equal to 36 degrees. Therefore a is equal to 36 degrees. Problem number 19. Show that cos 36 degrees multiplied by cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees multiplied by sin 54 degrees is equal to 0. Solution. First we are writing which was given, cos 36 degrees multiplied by cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees multiplied by sin 54 degrees. Here it will be observed that the sum of angles of cos terms and sin terms in the problem was 90 degrees. So here cos 36 degrees can be write as cos of 90 minus 54 degrees and cos 54 degrees can be write as cos 90 minus 36 degrees minus the remaining part sin 36 degrees sin 54 degrees. Here we are not changed this part. We know that cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So cos of 90 minus 54 degrees can be write as sin 54 degrees. In the same way, cos 90 minus 36 degrees can be write as sin 36 degrees minus the remaining part sin 36 degrees multiplied by sin 54 degrees. We can cancel the plus term and minus term. Finally, we will get 0. Therefore, cos 36 degrees multiplied by cos 54 degrees minus Sine 36 degrees multiplied by sine 54 degrees is equal to 0. Problem number 20. Evaluate 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sine square 60 degrees. Solution. The given problem is 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sine square 60 degrees. Now, substitute the values of tan 45 degrees, cos 30 degrees, sine 60 degrees. Then we will get 2 of 1 square plus root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square. The terms root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square can be cancelled. Finally, we will get 2 into 1, that means 2 ones are 2. Therefore, 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sine square 60 degrees is equal to 2.